14 divided by 14 gives us 1. And again here we have 14 divided by 14. So 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 14 divided by 14 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 14 and again divided by 14. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 14 can be written as 1 over 14. Then divided by 14. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 14 times 1 over 14, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 14 times 14 equals 196. So we have 1 over 196. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 196.